Alright, so this shit does not move at all. Nothing. So I'm gonna have to pull the quarters out. I bought a fender roller a while ago and I just didn't really use it. I used a hammer instead, but I'll try to actually get that roller working so we could flare out the quarters a little bit. I'm gonna lower this a little more to match more of this side. But I gotta dial in the toe, perfect the alignment, and then in the front here, I'm gonna lower this one to about the tread line. It's going together.
It's really good, God.
If I said it, then I meant it, nigga. OBP until the ending, nigga. If I said it, then I meant it, bitch. Sure.
Ancestors and shit, I'll fuck your bitch, all my niggas get it how we live. Run through your crib, I'll take your brick, motherfucker, get it how you live.
Yeah, get it how you live. Get it how you live. Fuck nigga, get it how you live, bitch. Get it how you live.
Skinny young nigga and I'm finer than my bitch. I'm in the bathroom of your condo, now wiping after I piss, bitch.